Hello there. Today we're modeling the mobile jaw, which is the part that holds the parts when pressed by the adjusting nut. We're leaving the link to the adjusting nut on the video's description and cards. As usual, we'll start with a new part, habilitating the lateral plan YZ. What do you say? Let's get our sketch going. Select the Multiple Lines tool. We're creating the outline of our part. The first line is horizontal with a measure of 33 millimeters, and the second one will also be on the horizontal with a measure of 11.5, another of 20 millimeters, then 30 millimeters, and finally 53 millimeters. We'll finish the operation with multiple lines, and we'll create right here on top a radius of 15 millimeters. Then we'll select the arc tool, and we'll select that point below and that one on top, indicating a radius of 50 millimeters. Using the Offset Sketch 3D tool, we'll select the desired lines, inputting a distance of 5 millimeters. We'll then select the Line Partial Erase tool and erase those that don't belong to the outline. After finishing the sketch, we'll select the Extrusion command and click on Habilitate Direction 2. We'll input 7.5 millimeters in both fields and finish the operation. That gap in the middle, well, that'll be taken care of soon. Select the YZ work plane again and habilitate the Drawing Sketch 3D. Now, click on the lines that will be projected. And there you have it. You'll have the sketch you need. Then extrude it with 4 millimeters both ways. Okay, so we're almost finished with our part. We just need to round it. It'll have a radius of 0.5 millimeters. That's it. The upper part is drawn. We only have to focus now on the fuse. Select that face and start a new sketch, then habilitate the arc tool. Creating a circle on the face's center with a radius of 8 millimeters. Habilitate the Line tool and create a line in the circle's center. Then use the Offset Sketch 3D to create lines with a distance of 5 millimeters and erase the lines that don't belong to the geometry. Last but not least, we'll extrude it with 130 millimeters. Now we'll round the back of the part. For that, we'll select the YZ plane again, and we'll create a circle using the relative point. The measures are 8 millimeters on the x-axis, 0 millimeters on the y-axis, and a radius of 8 millimeters. We're going to add some more lines to extrude it, so draw them and select the Extrusion tool, making the cut. On that part, we're creating the channels it has on the laterals, so we're selecting the face that they'll be positioned into. We'll select the Arc Circle tool, and with it habilitated, we'll round the back we just drew. That circle will have a radius of 3 millimeters. We'll then select the Rectangle tool and habilitate the quadrant on OSNAP to select that part of the circle. The rectangle's measures are going to be negative because we're drawing it backward. So the measures will be 95 millimeters in length and minus 6 millimeters in height. The extrusion will be 2.5 millimeters deep. We're almost done. Hang on. Now we'll mirror the operation we created with the Mirror tool. Habilitate it and select Set Operation, the lateral plane YZ. With both pieces of information selected, we'll finish it. Now, there are only 2 more things to do. We'll change the material to carbon steel. We'll add a finishing paint so our part doesn't suffer from mechanical friction. I'll show you how. Select the Color and Material tab, and instead of choosing Material, choose Color. We'll select our preferred color and click OK. Now, we'll select every part in which friction might occur, like the tears we drew on the upper part of the jaw. What do you know? That's it. So, what do you think? If you liked our video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll get right back to you. And if you haven't downloaded our software yet, Just click on the link below in the description and enjoy being part of the SolidFace family. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.